Today we got a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe in, and they're complaining of grinding on the right front tire, so we're going to tear it apart and see what's wrong with the brakes. That's coming up next here on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, as I stated in the intro, we got a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe here, and they're complaining of the front brakes grinding. So we're going to rip this wheel off and see what's going on. I have done a complete calipers, pads, and rotors on this probably about 4 or 5 years ago. So I already got an idea how to get everything done on this. So let's get started by taking the wheel off first. So I'm just going to use my Bauer impact here and zing these lug nuts off real quick. Alright, and you can see I already got it jacked up and on the jack stand, so we're ready to take this tire off and see what's going on with it. Now, I always like sliding the tire underneath the car just for extra support in case it does fall. It will fall onto it. So now let's get tearing into these brakes. Alright, now we got the wheel off here. I turned the wheel so you guys could see it. First thing I want to look at is the pads on here. So I got a 14mm ratchet wrench here. This is a GEARWRENCH X-Beam. I absolutely love these. We'll get it on the top bolt here. And this is why I like them. You can just take those nuts and bolts off real quick here. You can see they were not that tight. So I'm going to put this down in the tray and thread these out. Alright, now we got those off. We can wiggle the caliper off here. And looking at the brake pads are looking just fine. On both sides here, there is some grooving in here. So we're going to see what's going on with this rotor. Alright, now to take the bracket off here, there's a 17mm bolt here and here. We're going to take these off and get this brake caliper off. I like using a ratchet with a longer handle on it, because sometimes these can break loose kind of hard. But since I've already done this job before, they came apart pretty easy, so I'll get these out. Now we can take that off here, and my ratchet is stuck. Take that last bolt off, but you can see we got the bracket out. And we'll get this bolt out of here. And now we can take that rotor off. Now before I take the rotor off, I noticed something right here. This heat shield is rubbing against the rotor. And I wonder if that's been the problem the whole time. Alright, so I just stuck a screwdriver in there, pried that away. This feels pretty flimsy. It's getting pretty rusted. This thing does have over 200,000 miles on it. But now I'm going to throw everything back together and take it for a drive and see what happens. Well, I'm happy to report that's all it was that dust shield rubbing on the brake rotor. Nice, easy, simple fix. Gotta love it when they're like that. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, those are affiliate accounts that do help out the channel, to help buy tools and stuff for us to do reviews on this channel, and also to help us do jobs like this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.